Olá a todos, bem-vindos! Today I want to help you improve and increase your Portuguese vocabulary in a simple, easy way. After this video, you will be able to express yourself with more confidence and with big words that will impress everyone. In Portuguese, we call these words palavras caras. The truth is, Portuguese and English share about 30% of their vocabulary in cognates. Cognates are words that share common etymological origins. We will be focusing on true cognates, words that have the same meaning in Portuguese and English. I'll leave the false cognates for another day, but we'll mention a few throughout this video. These rules I will be sharing today will help you identify and know how to say a huge list of words. Remember that there are exceptions, but this will be a huge game changer in your learning journey. I have covered some of these rules in my video, 6 tips to learn Portuguese faster, but I wanted to add more rules with more examples, so I decided to make a video all about this topic. So basically, the trick is the root word in English and Portuguese is the same. You just need to change the suffix and voila, you will know the word in Portuguese. If you like our content, don't forget to subscribe and to check out our Patreon page to support us and have access to exclusive content. The basic tier starts at $1 a month. Então, vamos começar! Words ending in tion usually end in são. Cognates ending in são are all feminine nouns. There is only one word that is masculine ending in são, coração, which in this case isn't a cognate since it's a total different word in English. Opção, noção, emoção, solução. Words ending in sion usually end in são with an S in this case. Missão, sessão, admissão, profissão, tensão. Some adverbs ending in ly have the ending mente in Portuguese. Normalmente, basicamente, evidentemente, eventualmente, frequentemente. A big false cognate that I would love to share is the word actually. Actually does not mean atualmente in Portuguese. If you want to say actually in Portuguese, use na realidade, de facto, por acaso. Atualmente means nowadays in English. Número 4. Some words ending in al have the same spelling and meaning in Portuguese. Hospital, normal, real, total, usual. While the word general in English refers to the profession and the adjective, in Portuguese, general is only used for the profession and the adjective is geral. Some words ending in ty have the ending dade in Portuguese. Another great tip is that words ending in dade are feminine. Cidade, eternidade, totalidade, proximidade, celebridade. Some words ending in able have the ending avel in Portuguese. Viável, notável, adorável, memorável. Some words ending in ible have the ending evel in Portuguese. Visível, terrível, flexível, horrível, impossível. Words ending in ism many times have the ending ismo in Portuguese. These words are all masculine. Racismo, capitalismo, individualismo, idealismo, otimismo. If you're wondering why there is no P with a Portuguese spelling agreement, all words that had a silent P, this letter was removed and now is no longer part of the word. Words ending in ist many times have the ending ista in Portuguese. Lista. When referring to a person, the ista ending has no fixed gender, since they can refer to a male or a female person. It's the definite article that will show if it's a man or a woman. O economista, a economista. O dentista, a dentista. O capitalista, a capitalista. Some words ending in PLE can have the ending PLO in Portuguese, but many are false cognates. Triplo, múltiplo, templo. Words ending in -ary can have the ending ário in Portuguese. All words are masculine. Diário, sumário, salário, notário. Because this one is a profession, if it's a woman notary, you will have to say a notária. Words ending in CY can have the ending cia in Portuguese. Democracia, agência, fluência, emergência, relevância. Words ending in IZE can have the ending izar in Portuguese. These are all verbs in the infinitive form. Organizar, finalizar, utilizar, humanizar. I hope you found this video helpful. As an extra activity, write words that you know in English with these endings and see if you can write them in Portuguese. Confirm if they are correct with an online dictionary. Leave me a like and a comment. It's great to hear from you guys. Thanks again for watching and I hope to see you soon. Adeus, até a próxima!